So hey everyone, I'm Amit Raut. Recently, me and my team Skullbots has won the hackathon Hack4Bengal 2.0, and this was our project. Our project name is MedicFree. We were second runners up in the hackathon, and this is the video explanatory of the project. Let me just give you a brief introduction on what are our problem statement and what our solution emphasize on. Basically, in India, non-communicable diseases are responsible for causing 60% of the total death. Government has taken various steps regarding this, like providing free medicines, lab test facilities, and all those things. But the issue is that there has been a gap between the rural area people and the uneducated people and accessing these facilities. And another major issue is that we do not have the right to information. Like we do not know exactly how many medicines are kept in stock or how many beds are available in a particular government healthcare facilities. So we created a project Medic Free, which aims at removing this bridge between the people and the facilities with provided with them. And we use machine learning and some artificial intelligence tools to enhance this project and make it more user friendly. So let us go through a So let's go through the website overview of our project. So this is our basic home screen. So when you come to the home screen, at the top we have navigation bar and we have another navigation bar. This is the home button. This is the dashboard. This is for the uploading precision, and all these are the MSP of our project, which we'll be covering in the later part of the video. So as we'll come down, we have a text box and we have two fields currently. For search facility with the current location and search facility with nearby pin code. So what basically does is, if I click on the search facility with current location, it will just track my exact location and get my exact pin code. Let me just show you. Yeah, I'm just clicking on this. It will take some time, and it has faced the pin code. So this will come like this. And if I want to change the pin code, in case I find it incorrect, I can do this. Let me show you. So then what I have to do is I have to search the nearby facility to the pin code. I have to click on this one. So after this, what happened was nearby my health this pin code, all the healthcare services like the test centers, hospitals, and the medicines that are available near me will be shown to me, and I can then go through each one of this. Now let me just show you one of this. These are the medicines available. This is the hospitals. This is the test center. If I click on the particular test center, so let's say I'm clicking on this one. This will just redirect me to this page in which all the tests that are available in that test center will be shown to me. Then I have to just click on the schedule this test. So if I'm clicking on this, then it will just book my test. We have an algorithm in the backend which just predict the exact time in which you can have the your test done. So it will just show me a confirmation page which showing the date and the time, and the status will be by default pending, and the document will be also by default pending. So after this, just let us just see the how the medicines will be booked. So I'll just type again the pin code. So I'll just click on this one, and as I will go over here, it will just show me the available medicines. So basically, these are the medicines which are available nearby my pin code. I have to click on any of the this. Like I'm just clicking on this one. Let's say get the medicine. I'm just clicking after this one. After then this book medicine. Then what you will do? It will just book the medicine in my in my database, and it will just calculate that what is the nearby store in which the medicine is available, and it will just show me the pickup details. So what I have to do is, now the user have to go to that particular store like medical store. The details are being shown over here, the store name and the address and the pin code and the medicine details. So this has been booked, and in my dashboard, like this one is the dashboard, and if I go to the medicine taken, so as I can see, currently I've just taken this medicine and this has been updated over here. So let's get back. Yeah. So this was the basic flow of our homepage, like how it works. Now let me just show you our features which we implemented in this project. So first one was the unavailable medicine request. So what was this? Let's say there isn't any particular medicine which is not available, and you want to get that medicine or you want to access that medicine. So what you have to do is that you have to just upload the image of the particular medicine, and you can type in the medicine name. Like I'll just show you once. Like any image I can upload over here. Let me just find one relevant. I'll just upload this one for the demo, and I can type in the medicine name, and after that I have to click on the submit button. So what will so this has been booked my unavailable medicine request. So what will this do in the admin dashboard, which I will just show you in the later part of the video. At that we have a part of unavailable medicine request. So at that part, that will be available in the that will be shown in the admin side, and admin can update you about the when that medicine is available, or is the medicine is unavailable, or any status regarding the medicine. The admin will notify you from his dashboard. So here is the status. So I can click on the view status. So currently the status is pending. So when admin will change the status to available, then the status will be changed to available. And again in the dashboard, if I just click on the dashboard, if I go to the medicine taken, so like this, sorry, this is unavailable medicine. So if I'll go over here, yeah, this one is the currently I've just created. So this is the name, and this currently the status is pending. These all are the previous record which we have used for testing purpose. Just ignore these things. And yeah. So yeah, now this one is the doctor appointment. So what happens in doctor appointment, we have categorized the doctor appointment into various forms of non-communicable disease like cardiology, cancer, hypertension, diabetics. We will further add a few more, but for the hackathon point of view, we just kept four of this. So I can just click on any particular one. So let me just show you the previous appointment which I booked, like this all 1 2 3 4 5 6. These all are the previous appointment which I booked. Now I'm just booking a current new one. So let's say I'm just for this one like cardiology, we're just booking this new thing, and I'll just click on the schedule. Okay, so if I'll click on the schedule, it will just show me a confirmation booking, and it will just show me the date and the time. So how this is working is in our backend algorithm, we have just kept an algorithm which is calculating like the exact appointment time in which the doctor will be free. Like if it is currently, if it is like 23/7/2023, and the appointment time is 404, then after 30 minutes, or let's say another 1 hour, it will be next booking will be confirmed, and the next booking will be similarly done after 1 hour. And if the times end like 24 hours, then the appointment will automatically go to the next day, and so on. So like currently the booking is confirmed, so I have to go back and view my appointments. So previously there were six, now this one is the added new. So over here, you can just come on in this time, like the patient has to come on in this time and to click on the join call. So after it joins the call, this one is the camera recording option. Okay, so this one is the voice recording, and this one is the camera. And by default, your name will be shown over here, or you can change into anything that you want. So this has been implemented using Zero Cloud. Zero Cloud gives you an external API for implementing this. Means the whole function you can just wrap up into one thing using Zero Cloud API, and you can use that one. In the future, we are planning to use WebRTC for this one, as it will not depend on external APIs also. So we have to click on the join option. So after we click on the join, like here we have joined one, and this one currently one people only showing, and similarly the doctor will join in the same time. We have the doctor dashboard in which all his appointment will be shown. Over there, he can just join in the same time, and it will be shown over here. Here's the chat box. You can just type in anything, just like a normal chat room, and that's all for the appointment. So after that, we have an emergency medicine request form. So what is an emergency medicine request? We've created an gateway. Let's say one user is facing some emergency issues, and he want to request the medicine as fast as possible. So in this case, we're just giving in an home delivery. So how this works? If I click on the emergency medicine request, so it will ask me for the prescription uploading. So I can upload the prescription over here. Let me just select one. I'm just taking this test break too, and currently you can see that. Just a second. In test break 4, sorry, I have two medicines. One is this one, and second one is this one. This one is tablet and capsule. So what it will do basically, I have one button for the scan prescription. So we have used PyTesseract for scanning of this prescription. So it implements OCR model for doing this. So if I click on this one, it will just take some time, and it will just show all the medicines that are available in my prescription over here. We have some limitations, like it cannot read the prescription of handwritten, and so on. So how this basically work is, when I click on the scan prescription, one a backend API call goes to the Node.js backend, and from the Node.js backend, that again goes to the Python backend. So Python backend process that using the PyTesseract, and scans the keyword like the medicines names and all, and send the request back again to the Node.js API, and Node.js API in the response the sends back again to the React.js, which was showing in the front end. So after that, we can click on the submit. So what happens if you click on submit? It will take some time. So this will just give an email notification to the admin who is present over there, like an emergency status has been booked. Like I will just show you the email notification. So this one is my email for the admin. I'll just refresh this one. Yeah. So as you can see, this one is that welcome to MediFree. A new emergency request has been arrived. This all are the medicines name, and this is the prescription URL. So I can just see the URL from here. It is just not taking the whole one. Just a second. Yeah. So this one is the prescription, and this will just show the patient name and the address and so on. So over here in the status also, I can just view my status, and if I go to the dashboard, so we have the emergency medicine request. This all are the previously booked, and this one has been the currently. So as you can see, the status is by default pending, and when it will be submitted by the admin in the admin dashboard, the status will be updated. And in this, we are providing the home delivery for the medicines. And this is the emergency medicine request. Now let me just show you our most of the MSPs which we have used in this project. So I'll just show you the upload prescription one. So if you click on this upload prescription, it will ask me to upload my prescription. So I'm just using the same one. Let's say I'm using a different one. This is TestPreg 2. Just let's see what is in TestPreg 2. In TestPreg 2, we currently have three medicines, like one, two tablets, and one capsule. I'll just close this one. So what we're using is, again, we're using PyTestRect and OCR models to scan the prescription and get medicine out of that. So this is the medicine search, the basic medicine search that we have to do. We'll be doing using the type and search that we have replaced with the prescription searching. So I'll just search over here, and it will just show me all the medicines that are present in my prescription. So I don't have to manually type in all the medicines that are required by me, and I can just upload the prescription and get the medicine over here. Our second MSP. So we worked on mental health. We got a problem statement that we have to cover the mental health in this scenario also. So what we built was, we built for the mental health. We built three things like this one: joint patient chat room, doctor sign, AI consultancy. So what we thought that if I am suffering from same one disease, who is the same person or the other person is suffering from, and if we get to chat with each other in the daily ways or so, then we don't get a FOMO for by a particular thing. So for doing that, for doing these things, we have created a chat room. Basically, this is an open joint patient chat room. This is an open chat room for all the patients, like doctors, users, and as well as admin also. So we've implemented this using WebSockets. Let me just show you the demo. Yeah. So when I'll just log in and just come to this URL chat room. So this will just show me both the chat rooms. I can just type in any message. This is a real-time message environment. So we have given an option for the user, like user is the patient only. So we have given an option for chatting anonymously. Let's say one patient doesn't want to show his name, so he can just type in chat anonymously. Sorry, click in chat anonymously. Now if I'll just do some chatting, then in my name anonymous will come, not my full name. So now I will cover the doctor S. So this one is the doctor S. So what basically doctor S, once the patient logs in and he clicks on the doctor I in the navigation bar, this is basically like a log update. Like every day in the morning or afternoon or anytime, a patient can give a regular log feed update to the doctor at any particular time. Like now it is showing, like I can just type in anything and it will just send to the doctor. But what's the best part of it? We have used OpenAI's API and prompt engineering just to convert this message. Like let's say I'm just typing in now. Hello. Okay. So if I just click on the update button, so what will happen in my log schedule? It will just show me this normal message. But if let me just show you the doctor one. Like this one is the doctor dashboard. This is the doctor login. If I just click on the doctor side, at this I can see that there is two messages. Basically, one is the patient message and one is the AI summary. So as I told, we have used ChatGPT's OpenAI and prompt engineering. We have implemented ChatGPT in a way that it treats like a doctor, and upon the message, it calculates a threat level and means gives an alert to the doctor the threat level is high. Like in this case, the patient has typed that, hey, today I'm going to attempt suicide. Then the AI summary will generate a threat level like high. And if I type, hey, today I'm feeling good, then the AI threat level will give some message, and it will consider as the low. Means if there is a high alert in the AI summary, then we are giving a notification to the doctor. Let me just show you the demo for it. Like I have just typed in the message, hello doctor, today I'm feeling low, not good enough. I'm clicking on update. This will take some time because it is a third-party API which you are using. Sometimes the server is down also, and it takes a lot of time for that. So we have to wait. Yeah. So over here it has been updated. So if I go to the patient log in the doctor section, like this one, Darshan Raj, and I'll just refresh this one. Okay, so now you can see in this that this has been updated. This is the current time. Okay, so here it has been written that hello doc, today I'm feeling low. This is the patient message, and in the AS server you can see that this is basically low, and but it is also giving a prompt that this is not good enough. It indicates a negative emotional state, and although the threat is low, but it is explaining something. So this is like then the general conversation chat between a patient and its summary to the doctor. So now coming to the last MSP, we have our AI consultancy. So this is again we've used OpenAI's ChatGPT server, not server, sorry, API. So what we have done is we have prompt engineered the OpenAI's API, and we have set ChatGPT as a doctor for giving you some consultancy and advice service. So you can just ask him some questions, like let's say I'm asking, hey, can you just tell me some symptoms of cold? Again, we have to wait for some time as this depends on the API response. Like it takes some time sometimes, but not this time, luckily. So it has replied to some symptoms of cold, including sneezing, the runny nose, and stuff like so on. So now let me just show you some other thing. I'm just typing. Yeah. So if I'm just typing something like, hey, can you just tell me some medicines for cancer and so means I'm asking any critical things. So let's see what it gets the answer. Yeah. So we fit ChatGPT in a way that it knows its limitation as a chatbot. Means as a chatbot, it cannot suggest you some of the medicines and some other treatments, which is dangerous to your health. And always in this kind of situation, it will give you a prompt or message that you have to consult with a doctor for so. So like it is reply, I'm sorry, but I cannot provide a list of medicine for cancer as it is a complex condition and it requires a proper diagnosis. So we have feed the chat GPT, like he can tell you something, but up to a particular extent, and the bot knows his limitation, like how much he should give the answer, and in what case he should suggest you to go and visit the doctor. So now we've covered all the workflow and the MSPs of our project. So last thing that is left is the dashboard. So we've in the website we have two dashboard. One is the admin dashboard and one is the user dashboard. So currently I'm just showing you the user dashboard. So first one for the user dashboard is the account verification. So in the account verification we have an OTP system. If I'll just click on the OTP, it will just take some time and it will just send you an email and OTP. So we've used NodeMailer for implementing this one. So let me just check the TP. Yeah, so you can see that 135. So this one is the latest one. So my OTP is 59697. I just click on the verify one, then the account will be verified. Then this button it will be disabled, and this icon will come that my account has been verified. So when the user logs in, by default the account will be non-verified, and once the verification process is done, then this will be click on the verified. And furthermore, in the user dashboard, we have the update profile and medicine, the list of medicines taken, and the unavailable medicine that has been requested, the emergency medicines, and the lab test that will be shown over here. Like by default, all these things like the result status and result document has been by default state it is pending until and unless the admins uploads it from their side. And next we have the admin dashboard. Let me just show you. Yeah, so this one is the admin dashboard. So again, if I click on the name, this will just show the admin dashboard. So first, this will just show you all the user list. You can just verify a user and manually from the admin side, or you can just delete the user also. So and this one is showing the verification status is true because currently I have verified the this account, and there's some issue I think in the backend for which the images are not showing here. So just leave this thing. And again, we have this emergency medicine that has been requested. This will just come to the admin side, and the admin can just change the status over here from approved to like delivered. If I click on delivered, then this will be gone from here, and the record will be cleared, and the status will be updated from in the user side like delivered. Yeah, like it's gone now. And we have the unavailable medicine request. Okay, so like this, the admin can update it over here, and over here you can just add some new medicines that admin wants. And at the last we have the lab test. In the lab test, the admin can upload the results of the lab test by clicking on published. It will just show to upload the result document, and the admin can upload the document and click on the submit. After that, the result will be status will be changed to publish, and the document will come over here like this one. So this was the overall explanation of the project. Hope you like it. Thank you.